welcome back again in this Knowing Our Number series. Today we are going to cover a lot of sections such as Section 1.2.2 Shifting Digits, Section 1.2.3 Introducing 10,000, Section 1.2.4 Revisiting Place Values, Section 1.2.5 Introducing 1 lakh. Ooh, the numbers are getting bigger. Section 1.2.6 which is larger numbers, and lastly we have Section 1.2.7 aid in reading and writing numbers. Trust me, there will be a lot of examples, so don't skip the video till the end to learn each of the examples in detail. So let's start! Friends, today we are going to continue our Knowing Our Numbers series, and our today's agenda will be to complete Section 1.2.2 Shifting Digits, Section 1.2.3 Introducing 10,000, Section 1.2.4 Revisiting Place Values, Section 1.2.5 Introducing 1 lakh, Section 1.2.6 Large Numbers, and Section 1.2.7 and aid in reading and writing large number. I know in my last video of Knowing Our Number series, I said we'll do the Section 1.2.5, but then I discovered that these other two sections are really small, so I thought we can cover them up now. Okay, so let's start with shifting digits. In this section, shifting digits, we will learn about the impact of shifting a number. So let's understand this line via an example. We will take the number 983 and let's now shift the first and last digits. So as you see here, 3 is at 1's place, 8 is at 10th place, and 9 is at 100th place. So here we know we need to shift the 1's place and the 100th place. So what will it make? So the first step will be 8 will be in the middle because we are shifting the first and the last digit, and when we shift them both, it makes 389. So with this same number, you can make the smallest and the largest digit. 983 is already the largest digit, and now 389 is the smallest one. Okay, what's next? Now shift the last two digits. So this is saying we need to shift 8 and 9. So our first step will be 3 will be on its place because it is not supposed to be shifted, and we will shift 8 and 9. So it makes 398. Summary. This section tells us that we can make many new numbers just by shifting the digits of a number. So as we saw here, from 983 we made 2 more numbers. In total we have three different kind of numbers with just shifting the digits in the same number, which is 983. Okay. So our next section says introducing 10,000. In this section, introducing 10,000, we are introduced to the number 10,000. I know it's not a very big number, but we still need to learn about it. So let's explore. What is the 1-digit greatest number? Okay, I'm sure everybody knows this. It's 9. And what do we add to 9 to make the two-digit smallest number? We add 1, which makes it 10, and 10 is we get the smallest two-digit number. Next up we have, what is the greatest two-digit number? It's just 99. And what do we add to make it the smallest 3-digit number? We add 1, which makes it 100, the smallest 3-digit number. What is the greatest 3-digit number? It is 999 plus 1 equals 1000, the smallest 4-digit number. What is the greatest 4-digit number? It's 9999 plus 1 equals 10,000. And now we get the smallest 5-digit number. And now here I will tell you how to put commas in the upcoming slides. Summary. This section we learned about 10,000 and how we reached there. So we had a smallest 1-digit number, we we had the greatest one-digit number, we made it to smallest two-digit number. We had the greatest two-digit number, we made it to the smallest three-digit number, and so on. Next up we have revisiting place values. In this section we learned the Indian and international place value chart. I hope you all remember that we have two kind of place value chart, which is Indian and international. So let's go through Indian first. In Indian we have ones. This is a group, and in this group how many place values we have? It is ones, tens and hundreds. Then we have another group of 10,000, and how many place values do we have here? 1,000 and 10,000. Next group we have lakhs, and we have two place values here again, which is lakh and 10 lakh. And now this is a really big group of number, just crores and 10 crores. Okay, now let's move on to the international place value system. Here we have ones, and this group we have ones, tens, hundreds, just like Indian, and then we have thousands, and 10,000. Till here, the Indian and international place value are same, but after that they change. Indian place value chart has a lakh after 10,000, but international place value chart has a 100,000, and then we reach millions, 10 millions and 100 million. Okay, now let's read this number according to the Indian place value chart and international place value chart. So I have took two same numbers here and put in both Indian and international place value, and now I'll show you how they're differently written in Indian and international place value. So let's read the Indian first. It is 3,79,87,450. And how do we read it in international place value chart? It is 37,987,450. I know you are confused that why do we have 100 two times in here. This is because 100,000 and 100 are like same. We don't put 100,000 in the middle of one. Like when we are writing in words, we don't put 100,000. We just put 100 instead of it. And then you don't need to be confused that do I need to put 1,000? No, you don't. You just write 37,900,000, not 100,000. 978,450. So don't be confused between 100,000 and the normal 100. And next up we have 10,150,000. How will we write this in international place value chart? It is 100,150,000. Whoa, these are really big numbers. Now we will see how the comparison between international and Indian place value chart. So as you see here, 100,000 equal 1 lakh. How did we reach here? Let's start counting from Indian place value chart. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have counted 6 units. And now let's do the international place value chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have counted 6 units here also, which reaches 1 lakh in Indian place value chart and 100,000 in international place value chart. So if you put them under each other, it means 100,000 equal 1 lakh or 1 lakh equal 100,000. They both are the same thing. And now let's see 1 million equal how many lakhs. Okay. Now we'll count again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've counted 7 units, and same we will do here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We reached 1 million in the international place value system and 10 lakh in Indian place value system. It means 1 million equal 10 lakh or 10 lakh equal 1 million. Similarly, 10 million equals 1 crore and 100 million equals 10 crore. Summary. This section helps us understand the relationship between Indian and international place value chart. And now I want to tell you one thing. How do we place commas? So the reason why we place comma is it makes the number easier to read. And now in Indian place value chart we put comma like this. So in the group ones we have ones, tens and 100, and then we put comma after these three. Just gonna make it easier, and like that we put the comma here. And next up we have 1000, 1000 and 10,000. We don't have anything after 10,000, so we put a comma after 2. You notice the difference? First we put a comma after 3 and then 2. Then we have lakhs and 10 lakhs. Then we put a comma here. So it goes 3, 2, 2, 2, 2. It just keeps on going 2 after that. No more 3. But in international place value system, we put a comma after 3. Like here. Once 10, 100, then 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million, and so on. Now we have let's practice. Means we will read the number in Indian and international place value system. So here we have 28,674. Oops, sorry guys. And the next we have 8,45,603. And the last one we have is in Indian place value system 9,80,68,509. I hope you understood how am I reading. And while I'm reading, I'm paying attention at the commas because they help me read easily and better. Next we have an international place value system. So here we will read according to the international place value system. Not Indian. You need to pay attention at this thing. Is it international or Indian, so you don't make mistakes. So we'll spell this as 973,837. Next up we have 9,534,892. Okay, I hope you're clear with this. Introducing 10,000. In this, sorry guys, it's not introducing 10,000, it's introducing 1 lakh. In this section, introducing 1 lakh, we will be introduced by the number itself. Okay, what is the greatest 1-digit number again? We all know it's 9, we just saw. We add 1, makes it 10. The smallest 2-digit number. And let me put all of this down. We just saw all of this in introducing, 10,000. But then, 10,000, the counting doesn't end on 10,000. We need to go ahead and ahead. Okay, so we have reached 10,000. What is the greatest 5-digit number? It is 99,999 plus 1 equals 1 lakh. We get the smallest 6-digit number. Okay. Now comes the summary. In this section we learned about the number 1 lakh and how we reach there. In this section, larger numbers will be introduced to the numbers greater than 1 lakh. So this is our next section, section 1.2.6, larger numbers. So what is the greatest 5-digit number? It is 99,999, and if we add 1 to it, it becomes 1 lakh, which is the smallest 6-digit number. What is the greatest 6-digit number? It is 9,99,999, and if we add 1 to it, it becomes 10 lakh, which is the smallest 7-digit number. What is the largest 7-digit number? It is 99,99,999. Whoa, that's a lot of 9s. Plus 1 equals 1 crore, which is the smallest 8-digit number. And if we keep on adding, the the greatest 8-digit number, and 1, then it will be the smallest 9-digit number. So like that the counting goes and goes and goes on. Aid in reading and writing large numbers. So this is our section 1.2.7. So let's practice in this section a little bit. Write the numeral in words, which is our Indian system. So our first numeral is 5 crore 32 lakh 28,674. Ooh, these are big numbers. So don't make mistakes here. Our next number is 34 crore 58 lakh 45,634. Okay, next up we have 9 crore 8 lakh 68,509. So to make things easier to read, we need to look at the commas. Write the numeral in words. This time we'll write it in international system. 67,973,837. Here also keep in mind, use the commas to read easily. Next we have 60,534,892. You must be confused. We are using 100 3 times here. Why? Because this is 600 million. Then we have 100,000 and then the usual 100. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed my video and learned something new in this. And you think if I'm doing a good job, please do make sure to like and subscribe on our channel and even share this video. Bye.